Established in 2008, KST focuses on designing, developing, manufacturing, and distributing high-performance servos. We possess strong research and automated production abilities along with our proven quality control and testing facilities. Our team comprises highly skilled professionals with diverse experience and exceptional research and development backgrounds. We've successfully patented several technologies, thanks to our team's innovative thinking and excellent design skills. Each patent reflects our ongoing progress and motivation to innovate in the industry. Over the past 15 years, KST has consistently aimed for improvement while adhering to its founding principles of quality and innovation. Our products are widely recognized and used in various industries and competitions across many countries and regions, allowing us to maintain a high market share and strong brand recognition. Looking forward, our commitment is to continue leading development in the servo industry, providing customers with high-quality products and services. We aspire to establish KST as a benchmark brand for servo manufacturers worldwide.